Let's model a dice in Blender. Add a cube. Go to Edit Mode, right-click, and choose Subdivide. Increase the number of cuts to 3. Switch to Vertex Mode and select all of the vertices like this. Now press Ctrl+B to bevel the vertices, then press V to switch to Vertex Bevel mode. Switch to Face mode and select the faces according to a die pattern. Press Alt+E and choose Extrude Faces along normals. You can extrude them inward or outward, depending on where you want them to go. Press Ctrl+ to grow the face selection. Then, go to the Material tab and create a new material. Don't forget to rename the material. Press Ctrl+I to invert the selection. Go to the Material tab again, then click on the plus sign to create a new slot. After that, create a new material and assign it. Switch to Edge mode and select all of the side edges, and bevel them by pressing Ctrl+B. Go to the Material tab again and add colors to the material. Go to the Modifiers tab and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. Increase the Levels viewport to 2. Don't forget to right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Add a camera and press Ctrl+Alt+Numpad 0 to align the camera with the viewport. Press R twice to enter rotation mode and rotate the die as you like. If you want to change the colors of the materials, go to the Materials tab and select the black material. Then click on the sign that says to unlink the materials. Let's add some lights, and then we're done.